Hey everyone, today we're diving into the cutting-edge intersection of artificial intelligence and quantum computing and how they're revolutionizing protein structure prediction. Sounds exciting, right? Let's kick things off with why protein structure determination is so crucial. Proteins are the workhorses of the cell, and their 3D shapes are key to their functions. Traditional methods like X-ray crystallography and cryo-EM, while powerful, are often slow and resource-heavy. So what's changing the game? Enter AI specifically, DeepMind's AlphaFold. It uses deep learning, combining convolutional and recurrent neural networks to predict protein structures with impressive accuracy. AlphaFold analyzes distances and angles between amino acids, delivering 3D models of proteins, plus confidence scores to gauge reliability. AlphaFold's performance in CASP competitions has been nothing short of remarkable. But it's not without challenges. Multi-domain proteins, those with post-translational modifications and membrane proteins, still pose significant hurdles. And let's not forget, AlphaFold only predicts static structures. Protein dynamics remain a frontier to explore. Now let's talk quantum computing. This tech leverages superposition and entanglement, enabling it to simulate molecular systems with unprecedented accuracy. For protein folding, this means tackling the complex energy landscapes. Proteins navigate during folding. Quantum algorithms like the variational quantum eigensolver aim to minimize a protein's free energy. Companies like IBM Quantum D-Wave Systems and IonQ are pioneering these efforts. Their work could revolutionize our understanding of non-covalent interactions, protein stability, and folding pathways. The future is likely a hybrid approach. AI provides rapid initial predictions, while quantum computing refines them for higher accuracy and dynamic insights. Picture this: AI giving us the blueprint and quantum computing adding the fine details. These advancements will have a profound impact on medicine. Imagine accelerated structure-based drug discovery tackling diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's, and the dawn of personalized medicine tailored to individual protein variations. Exciting times, right? The future of protein folding is here, and it's powered by AI and quantum computing. Thanks for watching, and stay curious.